The next problem, which is negative 3 plus 5i. So again, remember that that is the same as plotting the point negative 3 and 5, which I know is going to be in quadrant 2. And so the only answer choice that's in quadrant 2 would be letter D here. And so that's going to be our answer. Okay, so now we want to write it in polar form, which means we're going to, first of all, find our r, which is going to be the square root of negative 3 squared plus 5 squared, which will be the square root of 34, I believe, 25 plus 9. And then our angle theta is going to equal to tan inverse of the imaginary part, which is 5, divided by the real part, which is negative 3. And so typing that into my calculator real quick, I'm going to get negative 59.0362. Okay, now remember, just like the previous example, this is the reference angle, which means I'm going to consider it just to be positive instead of negative. And because I need to be in quadrant 2 with this point, I know that this is 180. Here's my reference angle of 59.0362, etc. And so in order to get my angle theta, I'm going to take 180 and I'm going to subtract 59.0362. Rounding to the nearest tenth, that is going to give me 120 well, so in the calculator, this is going to be good. I'm actually going to get 120.96, which rounded to one decimal place is actually going to round up to 121.0. So you'll want to make sure that you're careful whenever you get a number like that in the calculator and you're being asked to round to one decimal. Hope this video helped you figure out how to do problems 3 and 4 on your section 8.1 part 1 homework. Let me know if you have any questions.